In this video, I'm going to attempt to show you how you can connect the view from your tablet on your X-Star to a Chromecast on a television so that you can show your clients or your family exactly what you see on the tablet without having everybody surrounding you, because you shouldn't do that. Okay, the first thing you need to do, of course, is have a Chromecast and have a television. You need to have two devices to be able to do this, because unfortunately a Chromecast won't connect directly with your tablet unless you have it on a Wi-Fi network. So you're going to need to have a second device, preferably a cell phone, which has the ability to do a Wi-Fi hotspot. Set up your Wi-Fi hotspot in your first device. Okay, make sure you remember the password and everything like that. Write it down, put it aside. The next thing you do is you get that hotspot going, you get your television and your Chromecast going, then you go to your second device, you go to the Google Home app, and then you set up that Chromecast device through that Wi-Fi hotspot in your phone. And once you have all of that set up and everything's working, you should be able to see what, where, and when, and you should be able to see on your second device, the device you're going to use to cast to the television. We'll go ahead and cast the screen and audio. Now you'll see here in a second that the cast screen and audio, other TV. Now you see the television is now has what you're seeing on your tablet. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the Starlink app, and you can see there. You can see, they can see exactly what I see. Now, one thing about this is the Tab A is a pretty good tablet. It's not the greatest tablet in the world. It works. Its resolution isn't the greatest as far as what you're seeing through the live feed of the drone. I would suggest using something with a little bit more beef, a little bit more power. So if you had two cell phones, I usually use my Pixel 2, which has been the best experience I have found with my X-Star. The compass is always right. The resolution is always really, really good as far as what you see on the phone. And connectivity issues are next to none. Also, being a Google product, as far as the Chromecast, the phone seems to handle it way better as far as casting the screen to the Chromecast than it does any of my other devices. So keep that in mind. So don't expect this to be an absolutely flawless thing. I'm sure if you had a better tablet, I'm not going to say Apple because I don't prefer Apple products. We only have one iPad and I won't use that thing at all. But the better your tablet, the better the experience for the people watching and you using the tablet at the same time. Now, it's going to give you a little bit of glitching because it's working extra hard to cast that over to that Chromecast than it would be just normally. So expect to have some slowdowns, expect to have some shuddering, and maybe even a crash or two here and there. But this is a really easy way to cast your screen to another device while you fly to give people the view that you have without having that fancy HDMI out, which I'll tell, it'd be great if we had an HDMI out on our controllers. So, that being said, I hope that was helpful. I'm going to try to mash all this up because this didn't go exactly as I wanted it to. It didn't work exactly perfectly the way I wanted it to because my Wi-Fi network here at the house is pretty screwed up. But yeah, hope you got some enjoyment from that. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you would. Check out the links in the description. I would appreciate it very much, and have a great day, everybody.
It's cold. Oh, it's not that cold. It's 50 degrees outside. And I'm not wearing my microphone again. Good night.